Hello! We are here at SENTRINA Alaminos, located along the highway of Barangay San Benito, Alaminos, Laguna. So, ang mga nakikita nyo po ngayon ay mga ongoing construction of house models, and nagsimula na rin po i-construct yung mga first batch of sold units. We have 5 model houses here: Avina, Ara, Raya, Amira, and Lavina. Total contract price starts from 3.6 million. Reservation fee, 20,000 pesos. 24 months down payment, 21,985. And estimated bank amortization for 20 years to pay is 26,443. For more details or for inquiries, mag-comment lang po kayo or message me through my page, Sentrina, the dream home meant for you. Follow nyo rin po ako here on TikTok para sa mga susunod na videos na i-upload ko sa mga house and lot projects namin located in Laguna, Batangas, and Cavite. Thank you!